What's up guys, I hope you have an amazing day. We are back again and today we'll be learning how to perform the Riffle Shuffle. So, in order to perform the Riffle Shuffle, first you need to hold the deck in your non-dominant hand. So just hold it in this grip where your index finger curls around the bottom and on the top edge, your middle and your ring finger on the long edge, pinky finger on the bottom and your thumb just resting on the side. So this is the basic grip just to hold the cards. Next, you want to come over with your dominant hand, so in this case my right hand, and you want to grip the cards like this. So with the thumb at the bottom, index finger on the long edge, and the middle and ring finger on the top, pinky on the side. So just pick it up like that. You want this to be kind of shallow. You want to hold this at the tips of your fingers. So just come across and do that. Next, now we get into actually performing the move. So what you want to do is now move your index finger to the top and you're going to perform a riffle. So this basically. So to do this, again, just move index finger to the top. Now you want to apply pressure with your index finger downwards and your thumb up. And then you slowly slide your thumb up the side of this like that. And that will riffle the cards off whilst you have pressure on it. You just want to get practice, so I'd recommend first just practicing that pretty much by holding the deck. Practice just riffling, get a feel for it. Yeah, once you're happy with that, you can start to perform the riffle. So come over, so you've taken the cards, got in position. Now in your non-dominant hand, you just want to rest it like this, and you're going to riffle the cards to about halfway and let them land on this hand, just at the tips of your fingers. Then you want to basically let this, so this is now a packet in itself, it's half the deck. So you've riffled it off and you just want to let it lean like so. Then you push this packet up with your dominant hand, just like so, like that. And you push it up and grip it with your thumb. Yeah, so let's just go over that again. So riffle, release, push up and grip. Then you want to adjust this grip to the same as the dominant hand. So now you have half the deck in each hand. Yep, now let's get into the the final move. So next, what you're going to do is you're going to perform the riffling motion in both hands. So index finger on the top, apply pressure down, and with the thumb, apply pressure upwards. And you can do this either way, so it's best, I think, learn in the middle. So start with your thumb in the middle here, and basically you just want to riffle the cards into each other. Yeah, so we'll do that again. Actually, I prefer doing it at the edge, so I just find it easier. You can do it wherever you want, but I personally prefer at the edge. So we'll go over that again. You can either riffle it into the face or with the edges into each other. If you're doing the edges, then rotate it. Next, we're going to learn how to actually perform the bridge. So this is the bit this is the bit which looks cool, the bridge. So again, we're in this position. Then what you want to do is put your thumb on top. You want to maintain pressure along basically where the cards are connected. I forgot to mention this earlier. You probably want to go in about a centimetre. At most an inch. Yeah, so you want to just push the cards in about an inch, or between a centimetre to an inch. Then what you want to do is put your thumb on the top here, so holding the cards in place basically. So you're holding the cards with these two hands and the thumb on the top. Yeah, and then you're going to bend the cards by rotating your hands inwards. Like this, basically rotate your hands and keep pressure on the top. You can have your other thumb there if you need it. Next, once you're in this position basically, you simply extend your hands. So now you extend your fingers out and you move your hands apart. So you basically move your hands apart like that. So, and that action, so once you're here, done it, let go of the bottom, then you just slowly move your hands apart, release pressure. You need to release a tiny bit of pressure. This is an exaggerated motion, but you just really need to move them apart just a little bit. And let's see if I can get the angle better for you, and then it will start to bridge, like so. And that's it, that's pretty much it. Then you could just re-grip back into this hand, and you're ready to go again. So a quick overview. So dealer's mechanics grip, straddle grip, riffle, flip it over, riffle into each other, rotate, thumb on the top, bend, fingers, cards apart, and that's it.